Here's how to use Seal Spray Foam window and door foam sealant, delivering insulating value with closed cell content that's greater than competitive products. Here's what you'll need: eye protection, adhesive repellent gloves, respirator in some cases, professional gun applicator. For overhead applications, use our special angled gun foam cleaner or other acetone spray. And here's how to use it. Make sure all application surfaces are clean and dry. Moisten surfaces to ensure best results. Shake the can vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. Connect the spray gun like this. Make sure the can is firmly connected. Open the control knob, turn the can upside down and start applying like this. When applying foam in layers, make sure to moisten the previous layer before applying a new one. Wipe gun tip after each application. When you're finished spraying, clean any excess uncured foam with gun foam cleaner or acetone. And that's it. You're done. Save money with our high-yield, low-pressure foam that seals gaps around windows and doors without bowing or causing damage. Seal Spray Foam window and door foam sealant. Just another smart solution from the Seal Spray Foam family of products that helps you seal the deal.